Okay, on this first problem here, we have this or inequality. So we need to make sure that our solution includes both of the inequalities. So not necessarily the intersection, but the solution should include both of the inequalities into their entirety. So to solve this one here, the negative 5x is less than or equal to uh, negative 15. We would divide both sides by negative 5. And we must remember that when we divide both sides by a negative number, that we have to reverse the inequality symbol. So that becomes x is greater than or equal to 3. The inequality of 3x minus 27 is greater than or equal to negative 9. Then we just solve that inequality just like we would solve an equation. So add 3x to both sides. 27 to both sides. And then divide by 3, divide by 3. So x is greater than or equal to 3, or x is greater than or equal to 6. So if we look at that on a number line, then x is greater than or equal to 3 would be a bracket on 3 shading to the right. X is greater than or equal to 6 will be a bracket on 6 and shading to the right. Now, since the inequality of x is greater than or equal to 3 includes x is greater than or equal to 6, then that would be our solution. So bracket 3 to infinity because it includes x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay. The next problem, solve the equation and check. All right, so to solve this type of an equation, I would clear my denominators, clear my fractions. And we clear our fractions by multiplying by the least common denominator of all of our fractions, multiplying both sides of the equation. So the least common denominator of 4, 9, and 18 would be 36. I'm going to multiply both sides of my equation by 36. So now I have 36 times n minus 11 all over 4 plus 36 times n plus 2 all over 9 equals 36 times 13 all over 18. Now, again, the reason we multiply by the common denominator is so that we can clear our denominators out. We should be able to simplify each one of those fractions now. So now 4 goes into 36 9 times. And if I distribute that 9, I get 9n minus 99. 9 goes into 36 4 times. And if I distribute that positive 4, I get plus 4n plus 8. And then 18 goes into 36 2 times. And 2 times 13 is 26. Now we're just using our steps to solve an equation. So I see that we have like terms that can be simplified on the left-hand side of the equal sign. So 9n plus 4n will give us 13n. And negative 99 plus 8 will give us negative 91. Add 91 to each side. Now we get 13 times n equals 117. Divide by 13. And we get n equals 9. And of course, you can check that answer by plugging 9 back into your original equation and making sure the sides are balanced. Okay, I hope you found that to be helpful. Thank you.